Welcome back, guys. In this video I want to browse through Pi network browser. So I want you to know each of the function of each features here: the Fireside features, the wallet features, the Brainstorm, the mine, blockchain, develop, KYC, chat, and profile. So I'll be going through each of these features, and I'll be showing you and telling you how you can make use of them, how you can make the most out of these features, guys. So the first one is the Fireside. So the Fireside, let me click on the Fireside and take you through what Fireside is and how you can utilize Fireside. So Fireside is a community just like Twitter, Facebook, and the rest. So Fireside allows you to come to this platform and post whatever you want to post. So you can post about Pi network, what you know about Pi, and the rest. This is one user. His name is Kwanoto. So he posted this. He said, "Love this song. You really need to hear it." So you can come to this place and check the post out. This a post from another person. Pi is a 4-leaf cover, as you can see. So this is the post, and this. So there's many posts. You can come and entertain yourself. And the last thing that I want to talk about is this icon here. So these icons allow you to upvote. It allows you to like. It's called Fire. So you can click on the plus button and gift the person that posted this post. You can gift the person fire. So you can give the person the amount of fire you want. You can give as much as you want, the author. So yeah, man, you can comment. And you can share also. You can click on share and share to your friends. So the second icon here is the chat icon, the channels icon. So these are the channels. You can click on any channels you want, and read through them. And this is the post icon. This is the token icon. If you want to purchase the Fire token, so you can come here and purchase. As you can see, 1 Pi will give you 100 token, that is 100 Fire, and 10 Pi will give you 1000. So that's it. And the profile section. So this is my profile, and this is what I've posted on the app. So the second one is the wallet section. As you guys know, the wallet is very common. It's like your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, your Binance wallet, and the rest. So this is where you keep your Pi network, the Pi coin that you have mined. This is where you keep and safeguard them. So if I click on the wallet section here, it's going to give me an option to unlock with my passphrase or fingerprint. So let me click on fingerprint. I'm going to use fingerprint. So yeah, so on the app now, as you can see, this is my Pi, my available Pi, and my overall Pi. So the Brainstorm icon here, let's go through it. In the Brainstorm section, this is where you come and express your feelings about the Pi network, the Pi community, what you want Pi to do, and review Pi application. So it's pretty straightforward. You come here and pour your mind out, review Pi applications, Pi app, and their product. So this is what the Brainstorm is all about. So on the mine section is if you click on the mine section, it's going to take you to the Pi application for you to mine. The next one is the blockchain. So let me click on the blockchain and let's check what the blockchain is all about. So as you can see, these are the history, the Pi block explorer. This is where all the transaction that has been carried out on the Pi blockchain is being stored. It is like a history place for all the Pi transaction. As you can see here, 30 seconds ago or 40 seconds ago, they created this transaction. This one also, this one. So that's it on the blockchain. In the develop section, let me click on the develop section. This is where you can create your app. If you have an app or a website that you want to incorporate Pi network on, so you can bring it to this place and create your app here. So it's for mostly software developer, people that create apps. So make use of this develop section here and develop an app for Pi. The KYC section is where you come and check if you are eligible for the KYC, or check for the people that have done the KYC. You can come here and check the progress of the KYC, if it's successful or not. So this is what the KYC section is. And the KYC section also, you can apply for validator. You can apply for validator by validating remaining Pi users that have not KYC'd, or the one that have KYC'd that need validation. So you can come to the KYC section and do that. So in the chats section here, let me click on the chat section. Is where you can chat with your fellow pioneers, your referrals, and the rest. So that's what the chat section is all about. And the last is the profile section here. So let me click on the profile section. Profile section is all about your profile, your details, your name, username, your followers, the people that are following you. You can apply to be a content creator for Pi, and the rest. So that's it, guys, on the Pi browser apps. And okay, sorry, the exploit the testnet ecosystem is where you come and check the application that is being integrated on Pi network. So you can test those applications and give Pi feedback on what they should do, or what they should do to improve. So I'm going to post a video on each of these applications and a deep down details on how you can use this app to your advantage. So thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and like my videos. Thank you.